Victor Adetiba with ScrumLife.com, back with our book club. This episode is sponsored by Manta Tech Training Academy, link in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today, we're reading another excerpt from the book, 97 Things Every Scrum Practitioner Should Know, Collective Wisdom from the Experts, edited by Gunther Verheyen. Page 32. Beware the product management vacuum. Ralph Jochum and Don McGreal. Most companies have a vision, an idea about market trends and strategies to attract new customers, as well as to retain existing ones. Most companies using Scrum have a capable workforce experienced in creating, releasing, and sustaining products. In theory, great business strategies executed by great Scrum teams breed success. In practice, this is rarely the case. A closer look reveals how a main issue lies with the Scrum Master's approach to Scrum. Many Scrum Masters turn their focus inward to the development team exclusively. They give priority to team cross-functionality, team building, technology choices, development processes, and protecting the development team from outside influence. These are important and noble causes, but only addressing Scrum as a team process and overlooking the actual connection to the company's vision and product strategies results in an organizational disconnect. We refer to this disconnect as the product management vacuum in our book, The Professional Product Owner. All vacuums have an innate tendency to fill themselves, if not actively addressed. The product management vacuum tends to get filled with documents, milestones, project charters, and other process artifacts. This creates an activity-driven, document-based, sequential process with many handoffs, resulting in loss of time, understanding, and quality. This practice has process compliance as its focal point, creating the fallacy of seeking to answer the question, are we on time and on budget? This kind of output measurement leaves aside customer value by ignoring the outcome. As each manager and each team is gauged against their ability to comply with the plan and the bureaucracy. To avoid a disconnect between management and the development team when planning a new product or working on product enhancements, the Scrum Master needs to work with a product owner to make sure that the product management vacuum is filled wisely with the 3 V's: vision, value, and validation, as shown in the following figure. A product vision that is clear about solving a customer need, if done well, this will rally stakeholders and the development team around a product strategy, increasing engagement and creativity and emphasizing value. In Scrum, value is only determined in the actual marketplace. It requires the product to be released into users' hands for actual, real-world work. Everything beforehand is hypothesis-driven inventory, a guess. Value is therefore rather subjective and depends on the ability to quickly analyze and synthesize the feedback. Empirical feedback loops should allow validation by the marketplace for reasons of transparency, inspection, and adaptation. However, value also requires a tight collaboration between the product owner and the development team for both to fully understand the purpose of their work and appreciate each other's concerns. Scrum Masters should help product owners understand that until they release, there is no value, only cost. Even if the perceived value isn't there, that is still good. Validation that the strategy should likely change direction. The shorter this feedback loop, the sooner and more often we create value. The filling of the product management vacuum is in the hands of the product owner, as they function as the catalyst between the company's strategy and product delivery, a task that will only succeed with the true support of the Scrum Master. Couldn't agree more. Oftentimes when talking to or working with Scrum Masters, new Scrum Masters, and even some seasoned Scrum Masters, there is this belief that 100% of their capacity, their focus should be on the development team, supporting the team, guiding the team, protecting the team, facilitating for the team. And oftentimes they forget that the product owner is also a part of that Scrum team. And per the Scrum Guide, they also have accountabilities or responsibilities to the product owner as well. Oftentimes you'll be paired or partnered with a product owner that maybe doesn't have the most product experience from an agile or from a Scrum perspective. And so I've oftentimes encouraged Scrum Masters to work with a product owner to define a product vision, to put together some sort of product roadmap or product guide that clearly identifies what is this product, who are our customers, what value are we attempting to believe, what have been some of our wins through our previous releases, what are some of the major new features that we want to release, who are our customers, who are our stakeholders, how do they contact us, how do we track how well we are delivering to them and how much we're delighting our customers, right? Oftentimes, Scrum Masters want to shy away from this responsibility, and I encourage them not to. If you are unfamiliar with product work, take a product owner course, read a product owner book, learn more about what the role and responsibility of a product owner is, and find ways that you can support them in that product ownership journey. I believe that the best Scrum Masters are Scrum Masters that can coach, guide, and support not just the development side of the team, but also the product side of the team. So many product owners are looking for an ally, support, a partner to help them in their product ownership journey, that you would make yourself invaluable to that team, to that product owner, as well as to that organization if you are able to step in and support them in their role. Not do their job for them, but much like we do for our Scrum team, as far as it goes with removing impediments and becoming more cross-functional and working closer with the team, we come in with the heart of a leader and we show them these things. We guide them through some of these responsibilities that they may have. This could be things as simple as properly refining a product backlog. This could be things as simple as understanding how to add acceptance criteria. This could be how to write an epic, how to decompose an epic, how to slice stories. Oftentimes, product may not be comfortable doing some of these things. And I think if we can act as a strong Scrum Master and come in and teach and guide them on how to do these things, crawl, walk, run, shu, hari. Eventually, we will help build and foster an environment that product owners can succeed. And ultimately, all of the downstream work that the product owners do is going to trickle to the development team and ultimately reflect well on the Scrum team. Enjoyed today's episodes? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave us a comment below. Looking forward to seeing you in the next episode.